How to transfer photos from iPhone to Android without losing quality. Now go to App Store, then install Local Send app. This app is already installed on my phone. This app is already installed on my phone. But one more thing is to have the same network connection. Now open Local Send app. Now select the photos to transfer to Android. See how fast my photos transferred. Now let's check if the photos have been transferred. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.